Hi, I'm Danielle Harris. I am a senior lecturer in the School of Criminology and Criminal Justice, and I'm the Deputy Director of Research for the Griffith Youth Forensic Service, and I teach into the Developing Professionally class and the Professional Practice class in the third year of the CCJ degree.
When I tell people that I study criminology, they always ask me if it's like an episode of CSI, and that's not the case at all.
The really exciting part about criminology is that it opens many doors. The typical career path for a CCJ grad would be, I think we typically think about cops, courts, corrections. We're seeing that there are positions for somebody with a criminology degree in so many other areas.
I came into the degree wanting to be a police officer, but once I finished, I knew that there are a lot more opportunities other than policing with the Bachelor of Criminology and Criminal Justice.
And now we're seeing a lot more jobs in the police. You don't have to be a police officer. For instance, we employ civilian intelligence analysts now, accountants, computer experts, IT experts.
Getting a criminology and criminal justice degree, you can go into research, you can go into the police force, you can go into corrections, you can go into the courts, you can go into government and policy makers. There's so much that you can do with it.
One of the important things to remember, I think, is that criminology is a generalist degree. So where students in dentistry graduate and become dentists, and students in accounting graduate and become accountants, not very many people that take criminology will actually become criminologists, because that's a pretty specific job title that ends up in a research position. But the really important thing to remember is that because it's a generalist degree, it can take you anywhere. In addition to the criminal justice system, we also see a lot of criminologists being employed in victim advocacy, survivor support, rehabilitation services, social work, human rights, Amnesty International, social justice services. But even more broadly than that, criminologists are employed in research institutions, in policy making, in legislation, in city councils, at every level of government.
One of the benefits of our criminology training is that a lot of the skills and knowledge are quite transferable. There's two ways that we focus on employability in our program. In the first half of the program, we have a lot of opportunities where we get our practitioners into the classroom, onto campus, where we do guest lectures. They're involved in a whole range of networking activities. So even from first year, students can start developing their professional network. In the second half of the degree, there are more opportunities to go out into industry, where you'll be put into a professional setting and you get to interact with people.
Professional practice is a course that offers the students an opportunity to get real life experience in the workplace. So it's work integrated learning, and it's building on their employability skills. So real life experience in a real life correctional facility or in a real life police station.
Griffith really helped me directly in getting my job, because I did our 3008 CCJ, which was professional practice. So I was placed at Ethical Standards Command at the Queensland Police. And then 2 months after I finished placement, I was offered a job. Really, Griffith directly helped me to get that job, because if it wasn't for placement, I wouldn't have met my supervisors, I wouldn't have met the officer who gave me the job, and I don't think I'd have the skills that I have, that I use now even, in my job if it wasn't for Griffith.
Because we're such a strong research community, we're heavily engaged with industry partners, the police, corrective services, and because of that, we're able to create opportunities or make opportunities available for students. So studying at Griffith, not only you're getting an excellent education, but we're able to open doors for you that many other criminology departments can't.